we've got a Toyota ALPHARD 2018. It's got a power steering malfunction problem. So we're going to put it through the diagnostic machine, check the fault codes, and we can go from there. Vehicle's on the ramp now, so we're going to plug in the Autel 909. Okay, already plugged in, so let's see what fault codes come up. So let's go Toyota. It's a Japanese import, this one, all the way from Japan, so we have to see if our computer can give us any codes. But the 909 is normally really good when it comes down to things like this. Ignition on. Should pick up a VIN number now. Okay. There you go, ALPHARD. From Japan, as you can see. 2018 to 19. Okay. We're going to do a full code scan, and then it should give us a fault code. Meanwhile, I'll show you the picture it's giving up when you're driving. That's it, so let's go and auto scan. Let's scan all the modules. That's it, once done, see 100% up there. Go and report. And there's all the codes, go down. That's it, so look what it says. Battery current sensor circuit, battery, lost communication, backup battery disconnect malfunction. Doesn't have a backup battery in this vehicle, it's just got the normal 12-volt one. Lost communication, so it's giving me a lot of lost communication and battery errors, so I want to do a battery check and test and see what's the percentage it's giving me. Got this normal launch battery tester, does AGM batteries as well, so we're going to test it as well. Very simple to check it. One on negative, one on positive. See the screen there? And on the battery it always gives you the numbers. As you can see, it is 60 amperage. Get back. Okay. What's battery test? It's a regular battery, it's not an AGM. I'm gonna go for 60 AH. 60 AH, that one. Testing. Charge retest, so that's 37% voltage. So it's not really that good. So recommend changing that one and just give a print out so we can give it to the customer. Batteries all replaced now, brand new one from Eurocar Parts X-Side. So I put a good quality on that, with the same amperage and everything. Now we're going to go and clear the fault codes. Go inside, make sure the ignition's on. Still got the previous codes there. Ignition on, yeah, ignition's on. So make sure it's connected at the bottom there. We're gonna go exit, a quick erase, and all the orange should go green now. That's it. So happy days. Hot functions. I just want to see if there's anything with battery initializing, because some cars you got to initialize. That's it. It'll tell you it's not supported by ECU. just in case you've got to program the battery back to the car. Backup battery. Yes, okay. It's clear, so it says confirm can just turn ignition power switch on, which it is. A new battery is being installed, which it has. Please wait. That's it, completed. Thanks for watching, guys, and like and subscribe. Just want to show you quickly as well, just done a code scan again, and obviously there was nothing there, but I just want to show you and tell you that even though it's coming up a power steering malfunction, if there's less voltage in the car and it's not feeding the modules properly, it will come up with malfunction. So always make sure the battery voltage is good and is communicating with each module with good voltage.